Hello! Today, we are going to describe this picture of a happy family in their living room. In this picture, we can see a family spending time together at home. They are in the living room and they look very happy. The room is bright and colorful. In the middle, there is a large blue sofa. Under the sofa, there is an orange rug with white spots. To the left, there is a yellow lamp on a small table. On the right side of the room, there is a tall bookshelf filled with many books and some toys. There are also 4 small pictures on the wall. There are 4 people in the family. The father is wearing a green sweater and blue jeans. He is holding a remote control. The mother has curly orange hair and is wearing a yellow sweater. She has her arm around her son. The son is wearing a blue striped shirt. The daughter has red hair and pigtails and is wearing a pink dress. Everyone is smiling and looking at the television. On the floor, there is a cute white and gray cat sitting next to the sofa. The family is watching TV. On the TV screen, there is a funny purple monster standing on green grass. On the wooden coffee table, there is a blue bowl of popcorn for the family to eat. This is a very nice and cozy scene. The family is enjoying their evening together. Thank you for listening to my description.